How to see who reposted your post on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to check Instagram repost notifications. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here, you may see a Reposts tab where you can view the content you've reposted from other accounts. However, this section does not show who reposted your own posts or reels. To check if someone has reposted your content, go back to the Instagram home screen and tap the notification icon in the top right corner. Now, look through your recent notifications. If someone reposts your Instagram post or reel, Instagram will usually send a notification showing the account that reposted your content. If you don't see any repost notifications, it may mean that nobody has reposted your post yet, or Instagram has not provided a repost notification for that activity. So that's the easiest way to see who reposted your Instagram post and check repost notifications on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.